Today's theme, healthy, wealthy, and wise. Now, what that has to do with toe surgery for women, we have no idea, but CNBC's Jane Wells is standing by Burbank to explain. Aren't you, Jane?
Well, you certainly need the wealthy part. Let me give you all a brief lesson in why life's not fair. This is Bill's shoe. This is Sue's shoe. This is made for comfort. This is not. But rather than go for this, women are doing everything to stay in this, even if it costs them an arm and a leg.
For those who think they've seen it all, I bet you haven't seen this. They call it a foot facelift.
Basically, it reconstructs the entire forefoot.
Bunions and corns are cut, toes straightened, shortened. The whole foot narrowed and smoothed. In a culture where we try to lift just about everything to defy the gravity of aging, this is a twist.
Oh, watch it.
You can blame part of it on Sex and the City's obsession with shoes. Women's shoes have gotten pointier, the heels higher. In fact, they don't appear to be made for the human foot. So some want the human foot remade to accommodate the shoes.
They're coming in with shoes, and they're saying, this is what I want to fit into. Can you make my foot fit into this?
Dr. Oliver Zong has a practice near Wall Street, and he can charge as much as $15,000 to reshape your feet.
I just love shoes. It's just, I get upset when I go shopping and I can't fit a shoe I want.
In the case of Alicia Birch, the reasons are part cosmetic, part medical.
Certain shoes I can't fit into because of the deformity of my foot. My foot doesn't go in all the way, or if it does, some halfway, then by the time I'm walking, say about an hour, it's paining me, and I have to take it off and maybe buy some flats or walk barefoot. Fine.
Insurance is paying for much of her foot facelift, which includes several procedures, including a toe tuck to slim the pinky toe with the incision on the side to be less noticeable.
The pain, I know the pain is going to go away, so I'm looking forward to that.
10 days after surgery,
Besides a little numbness, anything hurt?
No.
Birch comes in to get the stitches removed, her feet still swollen, and weeks of therapy will follow.
We anticipate having her back inside of a sneaker in about 3 to 4 weeks, and back into shoes in about 6 weeks, and into her stylish heels probably by 2 months.
Dr. Zong's cosmetic side of the business is off and running. Bad shoes mean good business, though he's had to turn down some more drastic requests.
Having the fifth toe amputated, essentially, in order to fit more comfortably into a shoe, it's crazy. I mean, I don't know why anybody would want to have their fifth toe cut off.
Yes, he says more than one woman has actually come into his office demanding he cut off her pinky toe so she can wear certain shoes. He refuses to do so. Alicia Birch just wants the pain to go away. She's not asking for anything to be amputated. It'll probably be another month before she can finally wear that special pair of Ralph Lauren shoes.
Which will be out of,
sitting in her closet.
they'll be out of fashion pretty soon.
Well, I just want to know, if you cut off your toe for certain shoes, it kind of makes it harder to wear the open toe.
Oh, yeah, I would think so.
You know, it's a sacrifice.
The
Without
open toe,
it.
well, you know, I love high-heeled shoes. I wear them every day.
Me
But
too.
there's no way I would go through anything
Oh,
like
actually,
that.
this is Bill's shoe.
That's
I'm
right.
sorry.
You had that backwards.
Should I show them? No, never
Healthy,
mind.
wealthy, and wise.
Wise.
Thank you, Jane.
You're welcome. Here to help.
Nice.
There
She raised her hand before anybody else did to do that story.
That's right.
When we come back here on Power Lunch, we're going to check in with MSNBC's